It's windy. It's cold. Let's f***ing do this. Welcome back, everybody, to my channel. Sorry for the hiatus. I promise it has not been intentional. I haven't ridden my bike since pretty much I put that vlog up last time. That was like Wednesday, almost 2 weeks ago. It's Monday today. As you can see, I've neglected my baby. She's dirty. So, but it's been like 2 weeks since I posted something, and I figured you guys deserved it. I mean, you guys are loyal in there. Also, I'm cooking up like a vlog, like a real vlog, not just a moto vlog, because I've decided I wanted to start doing that. And it's not easy, and it's not easy because it's not easy. It's not easy for me because like I'm always doing shit, and I'm like having fun, and I forget to record anything of it. And I guess it's kind of a win-lose. Either you live in the moment or you live in the camera. But anyway, yeah, just here to talk about a few things. I feel like I could be talking right now, but the sun's in my face, and it's not really in my face. I don't know how this camera does at sunset. Dang. So, I'll wait a little longer. So like I was saying before, this is my first ride in a while. I've been very unmotivated to ride, and I think it's mostly been the weather, which is kind of weird because I usually don't give a shit. As long as there's no snow or ice on the ground, I'm usually good to go. But I don't know, I guess I've just been kind of lazy about it lately. Hi, this section of the video was inserted here just to let you know that I'm a lying piece of shit, and I've actually been watching Netflix for the last 2 weeks. Thank you. I got on to ride this morning, and I completely forgot the last time I rode. My jacket zipper got stuck. And well, I wasn't going to ride again, so I left it alone, and I went to get it today, and I went to get some pliers to get it unstuck because I figured that'd be a good idea. Look at this bullshit. Can you see it? So it's like 40 degrees, like 49 degrees out right now, which isn't bad, like at all, in the grand scope of the things that I've ridden before. But my jacket is, and you know what, I was gonna wear a hoodie to ride. I was like, I don't want to put on my jacket, but my jacket just happened to be sitting next to me, and I was like, well, it's already here, I'll put it on. And I went outside and I tried fixing it, and it fucking broke. So I have that going on. Great, need a new jacket. Oh, another thing, I don't know if anybody saw on my Instagram page, I bought a new helmet. So I wear HJCs. The reason I wear HJCs is because they fit my fat ass head. I wear a 3X in the HJCs, and preferably I'd like to wear a Shoei, but Shoei doesn't make a helmet big enough. And I think the only other company that makes a good helmet my size is Arai. I'm not sure though, I heard that from like the parts rep for the guy that sells them. So I might be wrong, I've never tried one on. But I bought myself an Icon, a variant. Oh, beautiful. It was called the Totem, I think as it was. And it had all these like inscriptions on it. It was like drawings of like Mayan inspired designs. Like it looked like a totem pole drawing. Oh my god, I knew I saw the Instagram picture. I was excited. I got it. And it would not go over my head. So I was not happy about that. I was not happy about that. I was so excited for this helmet. I waited a month and a half. It was on back order. I waited a month and a half. And this piece of shit didn't even fit my head. And not that Icon's a piece of shit. Alright, I'm just bitter that the fucking thing wouldn't go over my fat ass head. So that, yeah. So I need a new jacket. I guess I'm gonna have to buy another fucking HJC. I really don't have a choice. Later, nerd. I should have just worn my hoodie. Well, you live and you learn. Back to our regularly scheduled programming. Anyway, I hope the camera picks up. I hope it's not too dark. It is a wonderful day out today. It was a little windy earlier. I was not looking forward to riding, so I was letting the wind die down, and it started getting late. So, well, hopefully this vlog will come out good. So I'm hoping for that. But I was hoping any of you that do watch, please, let me know. Let me know what you think I should do. I need a helmet. I really need a helmet. I really need to get rid of this thing, but I just don't know what to buy. I wear 3X. My head's like 62 centimeters across the fat part. If you guys could just give me a hand, that'd be wonderful. If not, I get it. There's only 34 of you, and I don't know how many you watch all the way through, but I hope you watch through to the end. That's sad. Wow. Holy crap. So this used to be a park. You couldn't tell. I had my 12th or 13th birthday party here. Wow. I can't believe that. Anyway, yeah, that used to be a park. Oh, here, this all used to be grass right here. I had one of my birthday parties there. Anyway, just a little recap of this week, guys. Yeah, that damn helmet didn't fit my head. Thank you, Facebook. Let me know what you want to do. I've been looking at mainly HJCs because really it's the only thing I can find that'll fit me. So hopefully I'll find something. If you guys have something different in mind that's $400-ish at the most, I'd be okay with that. So thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you guys for coming and watching me doing this great thing I love to do. And I know that times get tough and that we all get a little tired, but thank you again, Facebook. Tired and overwhelmed, and that was me for a few days here. But I guess I just got to remember that I got to get out and doing the things I love. So I hope that you guys are. Got a go ahead in my pants. I also hope that you guys are out doing the things you love, and whether they pay you or not, do something that fills your heart. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. And yeah, until next time. Thanks.